everyone, I'm coming to you live from Boston. It is about 6 p.m. right now, and the city is very much alive.
Away rotations are most definitely the most exciting part of med school for me. You're finally immersed in the field that you want to do. All I'm doing is obstetrics and gynecology, which is so much fun. I did a rotation at Beth Deaconess Medical Center in Boston. Another 2 rotations in maternal fetal medicine at Tufts Medical Center and Stanford for obstetrics and gynecology. I think the LIC really contributed to my confidence when I went on my away rotation. Because I had been with my preceptor for so long, we developed this sense of trust, and she kept challenging me with additional tasks. And so the confidence that I built through those skills allowed me to succeed on my away rotation. So some of the feedback that I had gotten when talking about TCU was that I was really proud of the experience that I had had at our school. I was fortunate to deliver 30 to 40 babies before I even went on my first away rotation, and so the attendings really, had that trust in me and felt comfortable having me help them with deliveries in the operating room, and both vaginal deliveries as well. I'm delivering babies, I'm seeing women in the health clinic, I'm doing things in the OR, I'm getting all these experiences that I've been waiting 4 years to finally do, and it is so reassuring that this is the right field for me.